Elevator farts, baby.
Yeah.
Part 2.
Part 2, but way better this time. We have actual equipment.
What's the foot floor?
4. Sorry. Yeah, my bad.
So we went up there for the first time.
I know. Yeah, my bad.
Lucky we're gonna get a 3.
At least he was honest about it.
No, I ain't gonna remember shit, so you don't leave me in charge. Are you for real?
It's coffee. Not bad.
I'm glad we're getting out of this. You know, it's not much
Yeah, just 2,
too
right?
long. Yeah.
Thank you.
With you.
Oh, I think I was. Sorry, my purse was stolen.
There you go.
Purse was still in one.
It was in the elevator door. It's the elevator door won't close.
Bro.
Sorry. I had to. Not being.
Probably not 5.
What was that sound?
Bro.
Not me. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Excuse me. Sorry. I farted.
I raised 3 sons, I remember.
Oh, yeah.
2.
We're on 3 and they're on 4.
That's not food.
One behind someone else.
You mean TJ?
Excuse me.
Bro.
Excuse me. Don't take a second.
That's good.
You're not his friend. Did you just fart?
I did. Do we should hate Mellow? My bad.
Sorry.
Oh man.
God, are you funny?
Huh?
You're funny, man.
I didn't mean to. I got.
Oh, you're
Maybe I can screw this and then it'll stop. Nope. Nope. Doesn't go. Oh, I'm sorry.
Bits and pieces. Oh, boy.
Did you just like,
I can't hold it. I gotta go to the bathroom.
you didn't put it in your pants?
Excuse me.
I need the lady that's running a washer and dryer. They went off to do some more shopping, so please return back to the appliance.
Oh no. Bro, there's literally a bathroom around that corner right there.
No, I'm good now. Think so.
Hey, don't do that.
Special assistance needed at the plumbing repair. Special assistance needed at the plumbing repair.
Oh my God.
Plumbing repair.
All right, then do two. One. One for.
Laundry. Oh no. Here they are. Oh shit, my bad. Yep, let's boot it up the ladder. My bad, guys. Did not see that one come.